In Creo 13, the geometry search tool is available in the assembly context when invoked from an assembly level datum reference feature. This enables geometric searches for surfaces across multiple models. In this example, a datum reference feature initially collected the top surfaces of the 4 larger index components as individually selected surface references. With geometry search now supported in the assembly environment, Creo can geometrically search for and find these surfaces and store the search definition as a query that parametrically updates upon regeneration, as illustrated here. After removing the individual selections, the geometry search tool is invoked to perform an initial search for all planar surfaces within components that reside under the datum reference feature's parent assembly component. The search can then be refined by defining a reference surface to identify only parallel or coplanar surfaces. New user interface options for search in allow the search scope to be further restricted to bodies only. When quills are present, this can help accelerate the geometric search and reduces the likelihood of unintentionally including quill surfaces that match the search criteria. The resulting search can then be stored as a query within the assembly level datum reference feature. In the second example, the geometry search tool is used to locate all chamfers with specific characteristics in the assembly. An initial search for chamfers scans all components under the respective subassembly and returns chamfers from both the index and bracelet components. When the search in option is set to selected quills and bodies, box selection can now be used to define a reduced subset of components to include in the search. Additionally, the references collector can be used to define a seed chamfer from which further search criteria are derived. In this case, the search is restricted to convex chamfers of type d by d with a distance of 0.2. These criteria can be linked to the selected reference surface so that they automatically update when the seed characteristics change. A new configuration option, Geometry Search to Link, enables search criteria to be linked to a defined seed by default. In Creo 13, you can efficiently capture and define semantic surface references for assembly level annotations and PMI using geometry-based search queries.